Good morning, children. Today you have to start the chapter lesson number, which is the first chapter of your class 7. Question arises in such a manner that what is lesson number and what is difference between lesson number and a fraction. Fraction is a part of whole, but in case of rational number, it will be either positive or negative. It can be defined as follows. Let P and Q are two integers in such a manner that Q is not equal to 0, then we can say that P by Q is a rational number in such a way that your Q can't be equal to 0. On the other hand, we can just define it as follows. Let P and Q are any two integers, then the number having the form P by Q and Q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Is called a rational number. First point is, second point is simplest form of the rational number. Simplest form of the rational number. Simplest form of the rational number. If any rational number is given, then its simplest form can be explained as follows. The common factor between P and Q is not anything except of 1. The number of common factor of P and Q is no any number except 1 is known as simplest form of the rational number. It means the common factor of P and Q is 1 is being considered as the simplest form of the rational number. As for example, that is, if your number is given as 4 by 18, it is not simplest form of the rational number. This is already written can be in terms of 2 to the 4, 2 9 18. This is equal to 2 by 9. In 2 by 9, there is no any common factor in 2 and 9 except of 1. So, this 2 by 9 is the simplest form of such given rational number. This is simplest form of such given rational number 4 by 18. Similarly, you can just evaluate any rational numbers as in terms of its simplest form. As for example, 7 by 49. This is not the simplest form of the rational number. This can be related as follows: 7 by 7, 7 7 49. This must be equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is your simplest form of the rational number. This is your simplest form of the rational number. The simplest form क्या हुआ बेटा? Simplest form is very defined as follows. The common number between P and Q is only 1, not to be except of 1. Any number can't be varied. अगर दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर 1 आ जाता है, ये कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ the two numbers that is P and Q become equal to 1, then the fraction is being considered as a real number or simplest form of real number. This is your simplest form of real number. After that, let me just see equivalent rational numbers or differentiation of rational numbers on the number line. Next one is equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational number means if any rational number is given, I am just going to multiply by any number in both numerator and denominator of the same, then equivalent rational number is being obtained. As for example, if your rational number is 4 by 7, then its let rational number be let rational number be 4 by 7, then its equivalent rational number will be equal to equivalent rational number will be as follows. First, 4 by 7 can be written as 4 into 2 by 7 into 2. This is equal to 8 by 14. Second one is 4 by 7. You go 4 into 3 by 7 into 3, 12 by 21. Third one is 4 by 7. You go 4 into 4 by 7 into 4, that is 16 by 28. Fourth one is 4 by 7. You go 4 into 5 by 7 into 5, this is equal to 20 by 35. All are your equivalent rational numbers, that is equivalent rational numbers are 8 by 14, 12 by 21, 16 by 28 and 20 by 35. All are your equivalent rational numbers between of the given rational numbers 4 by 7. Okay, next one is representation of rational numbers on the number line. Representation of the rational numbers on the number line. Representation of the rational numbers on the number line. How will we become able to represent any other given rational numbers on the number line? Is from taking it. This is your number line. This is your origin. This is your plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Up to 3 that you find plus b. This is your minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3 that you find up to negative b. Suppose that here 1, 2, 3 this one is being considered as positive, and in all numbers right from 0 is being considered as positive numbers, as well as all numbers left from 0 is being considered as negative numbers. Up to infinitive, 3 dotted line means up to infinitive, 3 dotted line means up to infinitive. We can just represent any rational numbers on the number line as follows. Question is यहाँ क्वेश्चन लेते हैं represent the following on the number line. Question is represent the following on the number line. Represent the following on the number line like this. First one is 1 by 2, yeah 1 by 5, yeah 2 by 5. Second one is 4 by 7. Third one is 5 by 2. Fourth one is 1 by -3. I will become able to represent it on the number line. हम लोग देखेंगे. First one is 2 by 5. Obviously 2 by 5 is less than 1. This is origin. This is plus 1 plus 2 3 dotted line plus -1 -2 3 dotted line. 2 by 5 find 4. यहाँ plus 1 है, this one is plus 1. 2 by 5 is less than 1, so we have to just represent the following given rational number within 0 to 1. 2 by 5 can be written as 0.4. 0.4 must lie between 0 to 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This is the 1. This is the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 by 5 है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one डिनोमिनेटर में दिया जाता है, ठीक उतना ही पार्ट्स को हम इसको डिवाइड करते हैं. 5 को पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया, and the numerator is 2. So 2 is here. This is your 2. This is your 2 by 5. This is your 2 by 5. This representation is your 2 by 5. This is called a representation of a rational number on the number line. Similarly, all of you become able to represent the remaining numbers, that is 4 by 7, 5 by 2, 1 by -3 and so on the number line. How you become able to represent it? इसको just मैं बता देता हूँ. 4 by 7, 4 by 7 is less than 1. This is your number line. This is your origin. 1, 2, 3 dotted line, -1, -2, 3 dotted line. 4 by 7, 4 by 7. This one is 0.75, 50, 0.57. यानी which is less than 1. 4/7 will be equal to 0.57 approx, means which is less than 1. Which is less than 1. Less than 1 में 0 to 1 के बीच में हम लोग काउंट करेंगे 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is this. जो भी डिनोमिनेटर में दिया जाता है उतना इक्वल इंटरवल हम लोग बनाते हैं नंबर लाइन पर। यहाँ 7 दिया हुआ है, इसलिए 7 इक्वल इंटरवल बनाया बिटवीन 0 to 1, बिकॉज 4/7 इक्वल टू 0.57 अप्रॉक्स, लगभग बनाएगा विच इज लेस देन 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4/7 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is this. This is the required point. This is the required point. This is the 4/7. And this is the required condition. Similarly, 5/2 can be written as 5 is equal to 2/2. Yani 2.1/2. Yani 2 and half. Obviously, this must lie between 2 and 3. 2 and half lies between 2 and 3. इसको आगे correction करेंगे 2 और 3 के बीच में हम लोग इसको काउंट करेंगे. दिस इज 5/2 एज वेल एज नेगेटिव ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर भी हम लोग देखेंगे. हैव एनी डाउट इन इट? दिस इज राइट इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ 4/7 ऑन द नंबर लाइन. किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? अगर है तो हमसे पूछिए. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट आई विल क्लियर योर डाउट्स ऑफ कोर्स. किसी बच्चे को कोई प्रॉब्लम है बेटा पूछिए, किस बताऊंगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज -1/3 this is only this is 1 that is 2 here we have +1 here we have +2 here we have 3 points means up to infinity. Here we have +3 here we have -1 -2 3 dotted line here we have negative -3. We have to just represent 1/-3. This can be written as -1/3. -1/3 must lie between 0 to -1. -1/3 means -1/3 -1/3 is equal to -0.33. This must lie between 0 to -1. 0 to -1. So you have to just represent -1/3 as follows. You have to divide 0 to 1. Here the numerator is 3. So you have to just divide 0 to -1 into 3 equal parts. After dividing it 3 equal parts, you have to evaluate 1/3. So this one is your required point. When 1 is your required rational number, this is your -1/3. This is your required representation of the number on the number line. I hope that all of you become able to achieve the points, that how all of you become able to get the required rational numbers on the number line, either in terms of positive aspects or in terms of negative aspects. हम समझते हैं बेटा कि सारे बच्चे पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर्स को नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट कर लेंगे. After that, if you have any doubt, if you have any problem, if you have any query, you can just ask to me, है ना, in next class as well as टेलीफोन से भी पूछ सकते हैं आप, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा। लेकिन आप बना करके देखें कि कौन सा ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, आपसे नहीं बन रहा है, आप हमसे ज़रूर पूछें। आपका सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए हम खड़े हैं। आपको स्नैप होमवर्क भी हम भेज रहे हैं। इस स्नैप होमवर्क पर सारा क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया रहता है, दिया हुआ है मेरी तरफ से। सारे बच्चे निश्चित रूप से स्नैप होमवर्क को भी देख लेंगे। यूट्यूब पर भी डाल रहे हैं इस लेक्चर को, आप लोग सारे बच्चे देखेंगे। ओके, हैव एनी डाउट इन इट? कहीं कुछ डाउट से बेटा फिर से बताऊँगा। दिस इज कॉल्ड रिपीटेशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स ऑफ द नंबर लाइन। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स। हैव यू स्टडीड इन योर प्रीवियस डे अबाउट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स? स्टडी किया है आपने? आपने पढ़ाई किया है बेटा प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स का? नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। आज आप रिवाइज कर लीजिए, फिर कल स्टार्ट करते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स, जिससे कि मेरे सारे बच्चों को समझ में आए व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से, हम क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। एक बार आप पढ़ लेंगे बेटा या दो बार रफली पढ़ लेंगे तो सारा पॉइंट्स आपके माइंड में क्लियर हो जाएगा कि व्हाट इज़ फैक्ट एंड व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से, हम क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। ठीक है ना? ओके, होमवर्क में सारे बच्चे लिखेंगे वर्कशीट 1 एंड वर्कशीट 2। ओके।